Welcome to our channel where today we're diving deep into how to fix failed scheduled payments. To keep your finances on track, welcome to our channel where today we're diving deep into how to fix failed scheduled payments to keep your finances on track. Scheduled payments are a convenient way to manage bills and subscriptions, but when they fail, it can cause a chain reaction of issues from service interruptions to credit score impacts. Understanding why payments fail and how to resolve these issues efficiently is essential for anyone managing finances digitally. First, identify the reason your scheduled payment failed. Common causes include insufficient funds in your bank account, expired or invalid payment details, technical glitches within your payment platform, or daily transaction limits that were exceeded. Start by checking your bank account balance to ensure there's enough money to cover the payment. If funds are available, the next step is to verify the validity of your payment method. This might mean confirming that your credit card or debit card has not expired, the billing address is current, and the card details have been entered correctly. Then, log into your payment platform or banking app to check for any alerts or messages that might indicate technical issues. Sometimes, scheduled payments fail because of server outages or maintenance. If technical issues are the cause, it's best to wait and try again after some time or contact customer support for assistance. Another common hurdle can be transaction limits set by your bank or payment provider. Confirm with your bank whether any limitations could have stopped the payment and request adjustments if needed. Once you have diagnosed the root cause, the next step is to reschedule the payment. Most platforms allow you to manually initiate a payment or update the scheduled payment date. Ensure you correct any errors in your payment details before confirming. If your scheduled payment was tied to a subscription or membership service, log into that service's website to confirm that your account remains active and update billing information as necessary. To prevent future failed payments, consider setting up notifications for low balances or upcoming payment dates to stay ahead. Using a backup payment method can also ensure continuity if your primary method fails. Setting up automatic alerts from your bank or payment processor can be invaluable for real-time updates. In summary, fixing failed scheduled payments involves checking your account funds, verifying payment details, understanding platform issues, reviewing transaction limits, and rescheduling with correct information. Being proactive with your financial management and regularly reviewing your payment setups can avoid many common pitfalls. Don't forget that staying organized and vigilant with scheduled payments protects your credit standing and uninterrupted services. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips and guides.